Looking for the ultimate folding step stool? In this video, we review what could possibly be the best folding step stool on the market. Stay tuned to see its features, durability, and practicality in action. Say goodbye to struggling to reach high spaces with this handy tool. Make sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. So let's go. In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are key. Whether you're reaching for a high shelf in the kitchen or helping your little one wash their hands in the bathroom, having the right tools can make all the difference. That's where a folding step stool comes in handy. Lightweight yet sturdy, these versatile stools offer a safe and convenient solution for reaching those out-of-the-way places without taking up precious space when not in use. Benefits of using a folding step stool. Convenience. One of the primary benefits of a folding step stool is its convenience. Unlike traditional step stools, which can be bulky and difficult to move around, a folding stool can be easily transported from room to room as needed. Whether you're tackling household chores or organizing your space, having a lightweight stool on hand can make tasks easier and more efficient. Space saving. Another advantage of a folding step stool is its space-saving design. When not in use, simply fold it up and tuck it away in a closet or pantry, freeing up valuable floor space. This makes it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or any space where storage is at a premium. Versatility. From reaching high shelves to providing a boost for little ones, a folding step stool is a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of scenarios. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, cleaning in the bathroom, or organizing in the bedroom, having a sturdy stool on hand can help you tackle tasks with ease. Features of the lightweight step stool. Sturdiness. Despite its lightweight design, a folding step stool is built to last. Made from durable materials such as plastic or metal, these stools are capable of supporting adults safely and securely. Safety. Safety is paramount when it comes to any household tool, especially one that will be used by both adults and children. That's why a folding step stool is designed with safety in mind, featuring non-slip surfaces and sturdy construction to prevent accidents and injuries. Ease of use. Unlike traditional step stools, which can be cumbersome to unfold and set up, a folding stool opens easily with just one flip. This makes it quick and convenient to use whenever you need an extra boost. Ideal usage scenarios. Kitchen. In the kitchen, a folding step stool can be a lifesaver for reaching high cabinets or shelves. Whether you're grabbing ingredients for a recipe or organizing your pantry, having a stool on hand can make tasks easier and more efficient. Bathroom. In the bathroom, a folding step stool is perfect for helping children reach the sink or toilet. Its lightweight design and safety features make it ideal for little ones who are learning to be independent. Bedroom. In the bedroom, a folding step stool can come in handy for reaching items stored on high shelves or hanging decorations. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a closet or under the bed when not in use. Description of the product. The lightweight step stool is constructed from durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its sleek black design adds a touch of modern style to any space, while its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. Customer reviews and testimonials. Customers rave about the convenience and durability of the lightweight step stool. One satisfied customer writes, "This stool is a game changer. It's sturdy enough for me to stand on, yet lightweight enough to move around with ease." Comparison with traditional step stools. Unlike traditional step stools, which can be bulky and difficult to store, a folding step stool offers the perfect balance of convenience and functionality. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for small spaces, while its sturdy construction ensures safe and reliable use. Maintenance and care tips. To keep your folding step stool in top condition, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth as needed. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the surface of the stool. In conclusion, a folding step stool is a versatile and practical tool that can make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. With its lightweight design, sturdy construction, and space-saving features, it's the perfect addition to any home. So, is this the best folding step stool on the market? We think so. Say goodbye To inconvenience and hello to ease with the folding step stool. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more innovative products like this one. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe.